Open the back cover of the printer. Unhook the 2 pins on the back cover. You can now remove the back cover. Remove the duplex unit. Remove the outer cover from the right pin, then slide the cover to the right and remove it. Push the 2 green lever on the fuser cover. Pull the fuser cover down. Remove the fuser cover. Be careful, the fusers are extremely hot immediately after the machine is used. Remove the screw. Remove the fuser side cover. Remove the 2 screws. Remove the plastic cover. Remove these 2 connectors. Using a flat screwdriver, press on the tab of the connector and detach the connector of the power cable. Remove the white lever. Remove the fuser unit. Reinstall the fuser unit. Insert the white lever. Install the power cable. Reinstall the 2 connectors. Install the plastic cover. Insert the 2 screws. Install the side fuser cover. Reinsert the screw. Put back the fuser cover. Install the outer fuser cover, left side first. Reinstall the back cover. Insert the 2 pins on the back cover. Close the cover and the work is done.